So hello guys, this was how this customer chat us up and said we should grow his little $3 account. So currently you can see that we have just made the account, we just grew to $7 and the trade is still ongoing. You can see the trade is still ongoing. So we are trying to make this account, we want to make the customer happy. Let us see how we can sweep this trade to maybe $200 for the client, because first of all is to grow it to maybe 30,000 and $30 or 40 or 50, then close so that the account can have some leverage, and then we continue. Now most of you will be asking, why did you take this trade there? Why did you take it at that point? It's not risky. Don't worry guys, any question you have, you send it in the link in the description, or you comment in the comment section, and I'll tell you the reason why. Okay, and I'll tell you, don't worry guys, all this ran in massive profit. So let's watch and see what happens. So guys, as you can see, we are making good amount of money. You can see with just a little lot size. As you can see, this is a real account. We're just making some amount of money. We want to grow this account to $100. So watch and see.